Ice cream lovers, communicating to you today from the desk of the self-appointed headmaster down here at Scoop School. Look, we have a lot of questions asking about the difference between our 3-day in-person class versus our 3-day live stream class. And just to give you a bit of history, we've been teaching this 3-day class boy, oh boy, I've been teaching it since 2004, so that's nearly 20 years. The beauty of this class is we basically wrap up everything that you'd want to know about opening and growing your ice cream business into a very fast-packed schedule over 3 days. Now, in the in-person class, you'd be traveling to St. Louis, Missouri here. We're a little bit west of St. Louis in Wildwood, Missouri. We have a fantastic facility where we have classroom, we have a lab, we've got all different types of equipment here that you can physically work on. And some people really respond better to that hands-on experience, putting batch freezers together, sanitizing soft serve machines and custard machines. Our courses are pretty well designed to be almost 50% theory and 50% hands-on or practical. So in the morning, we're going over things like choosing a location, finance, human resource, marketing, health. We break for lunch, and then we're into the ice cream lab and we're physically making products. Everything from developing flavors, running mixes, all the way down to rolling waffle cones. Again, 3 days, generally on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now, how does the live stream course differ from that? Well, in the onset of COVID in 2020, I think we invested pretty heavily in the process of live stream equipment. So right now we have a cart who we call Frank because we basically built him in the lab, so he's our Frankenstein. And that cart has multiple cameras, lighting, microphones, speakers on it. And so Madeline generally follows us around the lab while we're in the process of making ice cream and doing everything we would do in a hands-on environment. So the beauty of a live stream class is it's exactly the same so far as the agenda. It still happens over the 3-day period. And yes, you're not here in the facility, but there is a lot of back and forth, questions and answers, ask questions as we go. And I'd like to think that we give people a relatively good live stream experience, as close as they can be to being here in the room. So again, if you look at the agenda for both classes, they're identical. We cover the same things, go over the same equipment. Basically, everything we do in each class is identical. Except for a live stream, you're sitting at home, eating a bagel while you're watching me clean up equipment. Downside is you can't eat any of the ice cream. That's where I get mine back. Anyway, look, you can have a look at the agenda. It's on our website, scoopschool.com. After the things settle down after COVID, we find that just as many people are interested in our live stream classes because they don't have to travel for a start. It's a little bit cheaper than doing an in-person class, and you gain access to those videos whenever you would like to look at them. So after the class, we basically bundle up and we send you a link to all of the replays. You can watch them at your leisure. So anyway, if you'd like some more information on classes, give us a call, drop over to the website, send us an email. Again, our goal is to help you become successful in the ice cream and frozen dessert business. And we find that classes are a great kickstart to having that happen. So thanks for joining in. Again, any questions, give us a bell. Keep on scooping. Hopefully we'll see you in class one day soon.